Hi, I'm Terry Rifkin. I'm an OBGYN. I practice with Obstetrics and Gynecology. Group use Physician Solutions. And I just want to tell you how awesome a system it is. It was tailored, formatted for our practice. We were intimately involved in the creation of the format, and it's been wonderful. We've been up live since 2005. And it was just a perfect system right from the beginning. Basically, it allowed us to continue practicing as we were right from the beginning. There was no slow startup time. There was no seeing less patients. Right from the beginning, we saw the same amount of patients. And we did it in a step way. Because we're an OBGYN practice, first we went live with laboratory values, then we went live with gynecologic patients, and then we went live with OB over several months. And because of that, there was never, again, a decrease in our volume during the entire time. The beauty of the system, I mean, nobody needs to have an EMR system explained, but the beauty of this is that you can do work from anywhere in the world. And that has been so helpful to us, not just having to go in the office on the weekends, but now you can work from home. You can work while you're on vacation. You can work overseas by just logging into the website. I've worked on the system while on a cruise. We were able to open a satellite on the South Shore once we had the system, because basically it was a seamless way to open the office. It's just made life very, very, very easy. There are advantages to the system besides what I've just enumerated. As far as my staffing is concerned, it's taken away all the pressure of finding charts. We require less staffing in order to, with an EMR system in place. The staff was trained in a very, very short time. We recently brought in a new doctor that didn't even need formal training. We just showed her basically, what to do, and she went live with it right away. The beauty of the system is that you don't have to worry about partners' handwriting anymore, which is a big advantage. But basically the system allows you to practice exactly the way you were practicing before. You have a choice. You can either follow the formats that are set up, you can handwrite, or you can type your notes, whichever way you choose, and it all works. At the beginning, since I was a little leery about, since I'm not an excellent typist, I would handwrite my notes, but that's become obsolete, after a short period of time. Now I either I type my notes either on the tablet, or I type them, at my desktop in my office, and it's quick and it's easy. The formats, again, are tailored to our practice, so it's really very, very, very easy. The labs come in a very, very expedient way. Basically stats are in the same day, directly from the labs. All the reports are in a timely way, and as a result, it makes us better docs because we're calling patients back with results, in a very, very efficient manner, which, by the way, impresses patients. The labs, not only come in a timely way, but they also come in the same format. Before we work with 4 different labs, and it's easy to use and easy to adapt to, and that's another strength. Also, the newest thing that we've started doing is the e-prescribing, which is the best. Basically, my staff doesn't need to call pharmacies anymore and wait on the phone or dictate to a tape machine. While you talk to the patient, you just e-prescribe it right to the pharmacy. Or we have a system where the on-call doctor will do all the e-prescribing. Basically, the staff tells us which new prescriptions and refills need to be taken care of, and we just check the medicines and then just check it off, and it goes right to the pharmacies. And I mean, it just it's an incredibly easy way and saves so much staffing time as far as calling pharmacies. It's a very, very, very good system. One of the other things about Physician Solutions is that we just have had no problems that haven't been solved in an expedient way. I talk to my friends, out there who have other EMR systems and, with big companies, and they just find that it's very, very burdensome to get changes made, to get problems fixed. We make a call, and basically within 5 minutes, we have a response and a solution to the problem. Again, the whole thing just makes the running of your office seamless, efficient, professional. And while I haven't used other systems other than Physician Solutions, I can't see there being a better format or a better system out there, because again, I'm doing my office sessions exactly the same way I was before, perhaps even seeing a bigger volume with the EMR system. And again, I can't tell you how unbelievably pleasurable it is never to have to go into the office on a weekend, but to be able to do all my work from home, and really be totally efficient. At the end of the day, Physician Solutions is really a product that I heartily endorse. I think it's terrific. I have a very, very big volume practice. If their system wasn't as good as I'm telling you, then we wouldn't be using it. They've totally teched my practice in the most professional way, and we couldn't be more satisfied.